Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Break by Friday, where we break down AI and technology terms to use step by step strategies for our business. I'm your host, Paraskevi Kivroglou, a software developer, AI researcher, and here to help you stay one step ahead in the fast moving world of artificial intelligence. Today's topic is going to save you hours and will instantly level up how you communicate ideas. So let's talk about AI presentation tools. Why we use AI for presentations? If you're like me, building presentations can be a bit of time-consuming process. You spend hours tweaking slides, adjusting fonts, and rewriting the content. So AI-powered tools are changing that. They are not just saving time, they are helping non-designers create professional story-driven presentations that impress. A pro tip: use AI not just for automation, but for creativity. These tools can really help you spark into some new ways of telling your story. After testing some of these AI tools for creating presentations, this is my opinion on three of them. So, first of all, we have Gamma, one of the best for creating complete decks from a single prompt. If you are short on time, you need a solid draft quickly, start here. Gamma has a built-in AI image generator that you can use with prompting to create the images that match your vision. What I also like is the option to export as a PDF file or as a Google Slides and PowerPoint project. Another cool option is Canva Magic Design. So, if you are a bit of a designer and you like creating, this is a tool for you. You type in a concept and it gives you a layout and image suggestions in seconds. I know a lot of people who use Canva to create their presentations, so this is a perfect since it's already integrated. You don't have to go outside to find AI to help you. You don't have to have a specific image generator out to help you with that. You have it all. Another popular one is Beautiful AI. This is similar to Gamma. When I want a design that is consistent and polished, without overthinking fonts, alignment, whatsoever about styling, I would use that. It's really good at creating a slide deck that follows a story. My pro tip in this case is that you should always double check the text that AI generates. It might hallucinate and not understand the topic from your prompt. It always depends on the prompt that you're giving it. Please make sure you agree with the written words. Also, a disclaimer that I want to make here: I'm not sponsored by any of these products to talk about them. This is just my opinion after testing them for a lot of time and actually using them in my personal and professional life. So you can try them out. I'm not sponsored. This is just my opinion. So let's move on and explore some tips and tricks on how you can make your presentations beautiful. So now we're going to the good stuff. Start with the end in mind. So know your takeaway message before opening any tool. Before you plan anything, have a story of what you want to tell about what should the audience understand from your presentation. You should drive that point at some point inside the presentation. I said the one point 2 times, okay. Use prompts like a pro. Be specific. For example, create a 10-slide pitch deck about a SaaS startup helping small businesses automate HR workflows. So this is a really specific prompt that you can give it, and it can create something with that. Prompting is the key for AI. When you want AI to create a specific presentation, explain the concept you would like you would do for a human. You wouldn't give a human to create a presentation without giving them enough context, would you? And also make sure you specify your audience. This plays a huge role in the tone, how deeply it dives into the topic, what designs it follows, if it will be more professional or it can be a bit more playful, more creative. Depends on the audience, of course. Refine the output. These tools are 80% there. Add your voice, examples, and structure. Keep it visual. Use icons, flow diagrams, and images. These tools often suggest them, so don't ignore them. But if the ones that they suggest, you don't like them, you think they don't agree with your topic, please use prompts and change them. This will help you a lot. You will create new visuals. You can learn how to prompt it and basically add new images and make it fast. This is actually saving me so much time from just looking around the web for non-trademark, non-copyright images. Review with real people. So, before presenting, ask someone outside of your field to review it. You can also present it to them. If they actually get it and they understand your presentation, you have nailed it. Good job. So, last but not least, there are some common pitfalls that it's good to avoid. Even though AI is powerful, it's not perfect. Watch out for these mistakes. Over relying on templates. Your content still needs clarity and originality. Make sure you add your vision to the presentation. Generic language. Always personalize AI generated content. Add your tone and your voice. The presentation is supposed to highlight your knowledge and expertise while making it comprehensive for others. Assuming it's presentation ready, edit ruthlessly. These are starting points, not final drafts. I cannot tell you how many times I have edited a presentation. I want it to be almost to the point that I don't want to look at it again before I present it. This means I have done a really good job. So that wraps up today's episode. If you ever felt stuck or overwhelmed creating slides, I hope this gives you some tools and confidence to try AI-powered presentation makers. They won't replace your thinking, but they will amplify it, and that's the goal. Am I right? If you found this helpful, share it with a colleague or leave a review. It really helps us grow the show. If you want links to these tools, check out the show notes. If you want to be the first to get all this information in your email, please subscribe to my newsletter, which is linked below. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep learning and keep building.